Hi everyone, welcome to our 60 DevOps course. Before I start the video, just a quick reminder, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, because once the 60 days course is complete, I will share real-time DevOps projects videos to help boost your career. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with me. So today is our 27 now class, where I will discuss basically Ansible module last class. In this class, I will basically show you a simple project where I will deploy Nginx with a simple website to AWS EC2. And for that project purpose, you need to have a little bit idea about how to AWS EC2 work. AWS EC2 is a simple cloud-based web server. So where I will deploy our website. For that purpose, we already know how to do the SSH key, SSH key to copy to the target server. You already know that one. So I will also show you when the control panel. So we need to create an inventory file. This is the group name of the inventory file. We put the IP of the EC2 server. Then we need to use the Ansible _ user is equal to Ubuntu. So because we are using Ubuntu server, that's why we are using Ubuntu user. So this is the our private key file location, public key file location. But in this project, we will don't use this one. We already copy that public key to the target server, so we don't need this one. We only need the IP. So this is a main playbook file. So in the playbook file, we already have enough knowledge how to create a playbook file. So it's a simple playbook file. Just install Nginx web app. Just give this name. Then in the host section, we put which group we need to apply this command. So in my case, I will do the all IP, because we don't need to put any group name here. Okay, so we use only one IP. So I use all. So become yes is I need to run the command as root user. So for task, I'll just update the sudo apt update, then install the Nginx, and then I will start and enable the Nginx, and I will create a file and copy that file to this location. This is the Nginx default file location. So let me go to the control plane and show you the thing how this work. So this is the host file. Here I put only the IP of the EC2 server. I use instead of using public IP, I use private IP. So it will make our access fast. So let me copy that file. So copy and create a playbook. So p.yml. So copy that code. Okay, let me edit that file. So I need to change web, make it all. Okay. So now this is the Ansible server and this is our target server. So here I need to install that in Nginx and deploy the website. So host IP already have that IP, so just run that command. We already know how to run Ansible playbook -i. We need to show the host file and our playbook file name. Just run that playbook. So it will gather the facts and update the package, install Nginx, start Nginx, and copy that file. So now get the browser IP and check it. So I already take the IP and already browse it. If you refresh this, you can see the page is showing what we content put the file. So this is the file we make the contents. Hello from Ansible. This page is deployed using Ansible. So basically this is the to this class. So I try to show you a simple project. I have another plan to show a Kubernetes project, which was the project now 1. So but I thought instead of no idea of Kubernetes, is not a good idea to deploy or show the project to you. So I plan to in our next module is Kubernetes. So after complete the Kubernetes module, then I will show this a project with another Kubernetes products. So then basically you will get the idea of Kubernetes and how this work. Then basically you can understand Ansible, Kubernetes and Jenkins all together make the project. Okay, so go back to documentation. So every command which I use in this demo, all you get in this documentation. So Ansible playbook file to verify that your IP. So every command you will find basically here. So this is basically a simple class and very short video. So I hope this video will help you for you. In next class we will start Kubernetes module. So up to that time, best of luck, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.